Market update time, silver and gold. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. All right, we're going to have a look at silver, we're going to have a look at gold, and we're going to have a look at... Oh, that's all we're gonna that's all we're gonna have a look at in this video. Silver and gold. Let's have a look at this here. So let's actually look at... Let's have a look at the actual. Let's look at the ETFs first, and I'll actually go to the actual market itself. So on the daily chart on SLV, you can see we had this big drop out, and then the market rallied up into here. Now you can see with the silver, with SLV especially, that we're actually having problems. Let's actually do this. We're having problems at this resistance level here, which is that level through there, and also this resistance level through here as well too. So this 1 point, and this is now the 2 point through here, having a lot of problems through there, and then rejected down through there, and now we rallied up through here as well too. So again, guys, with this whole SLV, if I have a look at the weekly chart, you can actually see what actually happened here. So I wouldn't be too surprised, knowing that we've had this just a nice move to the high side. I wouldn't be too surprised. I wouldn't be too surprised to see if the market actually, if SLV did have a little pullback in the short term, just a little pullback, and then I think we'll break this overall level through here. Yeah, so that's basically a big rejection coming down through there. Now looking on GLD, you know, GLD actually closed just above that level through there. Now that level, let me actually just go to the actual price itself. You can actually see, this is actually today's bar, by the way. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about today's bar as itself, but you see what actually happened with gold. Gold just continued to move up, move up, move up. We had a big spike up and a big spike down, and a spike up, and now it looks like we're down almost 1% now on gold as I'm doing this recording here. And you can see that this market is still having that problem around that 1300 level. Is definitely an area where a lot of it just seems like a psychological number that that gold just cannot break through. And if I bring up the weekly chart here on gold, you can see what happened here. You can see the market hit resistance once, and we actually closed just slightly higher on the weekly chart, and now we're having a small pullback. I don't believe that the market will I don't believe the market will have a big pullback. I think the market will just have a slight pullback, and then I think the market will then simply take off from there. Looking at that there, this is the daily chart here on gold. Now looking on silver, same thing. The market actually hit the resistance here, and so I'm actually expecting, looking on silver, I'm actually expecting a move down in silver for the short term anyway, and then I think the market will move up from there. Looking on the weekly chart, guys, we can see this little ran up, hit rejection, and came down, closed low. So that's what we're looking at there, guys. We can see, looking on this overall weekly chart through there. Let me actually, you can see this weekly, sort of this weekly trend line through here. So I'd have to draw that through there, draw that through there. You can see how the market actually did break out of this sort of channel, broke up, but came straight back down, and now we're in this channel through here. So guys, I would not be too surprised if we actually saw this type of action moving forward with silver and also GLD as well too. So silver and gold. So silver looks like it may want to start to break out of that there. And if you look at the overall gold chart as well, we've got like this sort of action happening. Yeah, maybe if we just drew this that sort of resistance through there, this sort of resistance through here, guys, is definitely the resistance where the market's having a lot of problems breaking down. So this is obviously on the daily chart as well too, guys. Looking on the weekly chart, that doesn't really do much, but daily chart, it looks like the market's bouncing off this resistance level here. I wouldn't be too surprised to see if the market actually did have a little retracement. It's due for one anyway. We've had a pretty good run over the last couple of weeks, and so I wouldn't be too surprised to see a nice little pullback, and then maybe another attempt to run and break that 1300 level finally in the market. So anyway, guys, let's see what happens. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.